Hello and welcome to my animation slash music channel. Take 5, because this is the 5th time me trying to get this video done. But look at this background. This background is amazing. Look at that duck. Look at that duck. You're never gonna see that again on YouTube. But that's not what I want to tell you guys. So, this channel, like I said, is my animation and music channel where I'm gonna be posting my songs that I'm making right now, or animation, or just music and animation combined. And uh and I just want to clarify that this channel is not dead. I've had a lot of people ask me, is this channel dead? No, it's not dead. I just haven't been working on it much, if I'm gonna say something. I just haven't been working on it as much as I would like, and as much as what you would probably like. But I'm working as hard as I can to get my next video uploaded, and it might be a month or two, I don't know. But, yeah. And also, another thing is, I'm thinking about um letting you guys help me with my songs if you guys would want, like, with the background music, or singing, or just helping me with the lyrics. And if you guys would like to do that, uh comment down below. And as you guys can already probably predict, that I did not plan this video. It is 4 o'clock, and it just popped in my head, oh, I need to make a YouTube video so people don't think that this channel is just, like, non-existent. So, I think that's all, and just subscribe if you're not already subscribed, like this video, just, yeah, and I'll see you all in the next video.